Hey buddy, you want some pigs in a blanket? Look at that tail swing, guys. Is that a yes? You want some pigs in a blanket to eat, buddy? Good boy. Whew. It is hot out here, man, and it's windy. So I hope you can hear me, guys. So welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing something so simple that your baby can do this. And we're going to continue our football theme with game day Sundays foods. Bite-sized food to feed that soul, to feed that happiness that you got in your belly. Whether your team wins or not on football Sunday, it does not matter, because that's a whole different story. We're talking about pigs in a blanket. Man, oh man, we're going to have, you know, all kinds of foods for football Sundays, and today we're making pigs in a blanket, guys. Oh man. So guys, we started with the chicken wings that we made on the pit bulls with the teriyaki glaze, and I'm gonna link a link above so you guys can check out that video. But today we're making pigs in a blanket just to continue our tradition in my household. So guys, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. So let's spray it with a little bit of butter. We take one of these and we're just simply gonna roll them. Let's do one more. Just like that, guys. And now we're gonna hit them with an egg wash. So with the egg wash mixture, we just wanna make sure we just dab the top. This is gonna help give that golden brown consistency, guys. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of these and we're gonna see you back at the pit balls. Let's turn the power on, guys. Yes, it is hot as you know what out here, 110 degrees. And if you have a smokestack, guys, as always, open that up. So we're gonna have the cooking chamber open and we're gonna wait for the smoke to come through. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we've got smoke coming through the chamber and we're gonna close the lid. And we're gonna crank our temperatures up to 350 degrees. And we're gonna let this come up to 10. Okay guys, so let's talk about a quick recap of what we did so far. We took our all beef hot dogs that you see right here, and then we just cut them in half to get to this bite-sized consistency. I couldn't find any miniature hot dogs in order to do this video, but guess what? Gotta improvise somehow, some way, right? So these hot dogs we had to do. They are all beef hot dogs, guys. Decent Watson. Oh man, some good stuff. If you never had Decent Watson hot dogs, whoo, you don't know what you're missing. But anyway, we took our croissants out the wrapper, and they came in sheets. And what we end up doing, by the lines of the sheet, we cut them into triangles, just like so. And then we just eyeball it and cut them into another smaller triangle, just so we can wrap these bite size, now they are miniature hot dogs, into pigs in a blanket. Now what we're gonna end up doing, guys, spraying a little bit of butter flavor on these croissant sheets right here. And then we're gonna hit them with an egg wash. Next, what we're gonna do, we take them to the bit boss and let them bake for about 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And we're gonna eyeball it around 12 minutes or so, 13 minutes, just to make sure to see where they're at, because we don't wanna overcook them. We wanna get that nice golden brown consistency. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this. All right, guys, as you can see, we hit 450 on the dome thermometer, and our display says 355, but let's take a look at our pigs in the blanket. Oh, man, they're ready to go. As you can see, I spaced them out just enough for them to puff up during the baking time frame. And As I stated earlier, we got a nice coating of egg wash on top just to give it that golden brown color. So let's put these babies in here. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes at this point and we're looking about 425 on the dome thermometer, and our display is reading about 365. I don't know if you can see that, but let's take a look at our pigs in a blanket. Oh yeah, look at that golden brown color, guys. Oh man, you can't tell me that don't look good, guys. Woo, baby. Alright guys, I'm gonna take these off and let them rest for about a good 5 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna do a taste test. As you can see by my shirt, it says hangry. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. My mood is hangry because I need some food to go into my tummy to make me happy. So guys, let's continue our traditional game day Sundays food, which is bite-sized food for football Sundays, from my family to yours, from my house to your kitchen. So without further ado guys, let's get started right now. Let's take a look at this. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Wow. Bite-sized food, guys. Whew. It's still a little warm. What else can you ask for? I apologize for talking with my mouth full, but man, this is so good. We didn't do nothing special, guys. We didn't add no seasons. We didn't add no rubs. All we did was hit it with a little bit of butter and a little bit of egg wash on top and let the pit balls do all the magic. Smoke flavor, done on the pit balls. Pigs in a blanket. To continue a tradition of football Sunday foods. Game day Sunday, that is. Man, let me finish this off. Pig balls, produce. Once again. It's all beef hot dogs by decent Watsons. Man, this hot dog speaks in volume. Perfect seasoning. The gooseberry crescents. Oh man. Oh, that combination is a perfect pigs in a blanket recipe. Like I said, it's so easy that a baby can do it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to continue on our football foods for game day Sundays, and hopefully this will inspire you to do this on your own. Like I said, from my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, and from my house to yours. So guys, if you like barbecuing and grilling, this is your channel right here. So make sure you share this video with all your family and friends. And until next week guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.